Welcome. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews. Is this tonic a quick weight loss mechanism? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a weight loss formula formulated using some of the secret ingredients sourced from Okinawa, one of the healthiest islands in the world. The tonic contains antioxidants and properties that are potential enough to enhance the metabolism, improve energy, and maintain a healthy inflammation response throughout the day. Click here to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from the official website. Below video description link. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews antioxidant for quick weight loss. Unwanted and uncontrolled weight gain is the most common problem among many people across the globe. Unhealthy metabolism being a major cause, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic intends to improve metabolism by increasing fat oxidation and digestion. Weight loss is promoted through healthy digestion. Click here to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from the official website. Below video description link. Scroll down this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review to find out more about this supplement that promises to fight weight gain and also acts as a digestive and energy booster. This Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review will answer all your questions and queries about this popular health supplement. Click here to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from the official website. Below video description link. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is an all-natural dietary supplement in powdered form, made from a fine blend of ingredients including plant extracts, vitamins, and minerals combined in a precise ratio to support weight loss and digestion. According to the official website, the unique formula of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for weight loss provides you with powerful antioxidants, digestive support, and metabolic support throughout the day. The formula also helps to balance energy levels and assist a healthy inflammation response. It boasts the presence of powerful antioxidants that prevent the production of harmful free radicals in the body. This helps your immune system fight against cell damage and oxidation. The nutrient complexes are included in this formula to enrich your system with all the necessary elements for sound bodily functions. This supplement helps improve your immunity, energy, and vitality, claims the creator. Click here to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from the official website. Below video description link. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? The unique formula used in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement comes from Japan. In fact, the name of this health supplement is derived from Okinawa, a remote island in Japan, where it is standard practice for doctors to recommend their patients to take a special blend of antioxidant herbs and foods. If you thought that the slim and trim bodies of Japanese people have all to do with genetics, think about sumo wrestlers. They are a testament to the fact that Japanese people can grow big too. So the real reason why most Japanese folks are slim and trim has something to do with their dietary habits and lifestyle. It is no coincidence that Okinawa has almost no cases of diabetes type 2, one of the lowest obesity levels, and also the longest life expectancy in the world. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula that is based on the dietary habits of the people of Okinawa works on the root cause of obesity, an inflammatory protein called CRP, C-reactive protein. CRP blocks the fat-burning hormone adiponectin and damages your mitochondria, which means your body won't be able to break down nutrients into energy. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works by blocking the C-reactive protein and activating the hormone that converts the food you eat to energy, instead of storing it as fat cells. It switches off CRP immediately, which, in turn, activates adiponectin to quickly burn belly fat. Click here to order Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from the official website. Below video description link.